Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're making homemade pork breakfast patties, flavored with sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and fennel. They're a delicious addition to your breakfast or brunch. And as always, you will find the full recipe listed in the description. Our sausage patties start today by combining finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes, minced garlic, dry rubbed sage, ground thyme, red chili flakes, kosher salt, crushed fennel seeds. You can crush the fennel seeds by using a mortar and pestle or the bottom of a flat measuring cup, black pepper, and cold water. And give it a stir to combine well. And combining all the seasonings first means a little bit less mixing of the pork, which in the end will create a better texture of the patty. So we'll go ahead and add our lean ground pork and mix gently together until well combined. Next, we'll portion our mixture into about 2.5 ounce portions, and I do like to use a scale here. It works out to about a generous 1/4 cup in size. And using parchment squares helps to keep everything tidy and keeps the patties separated. Form into 3.5-inch patties using your hands or a ring mold. From here, you can freeze your patties. Keeping them on the parchment sheets helps to keep them separated once they're frozen. And you can then take out 1, 2, as many as you like. Heat oil in a heavy skillet. Once hot, add your patties in a single layer. And cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side until browned and cooked through. Remove from the pan and serve immediately. Or keep them warm in a low oven as you repeat cooking the remaining patties. Fantastic served with your favorite breakfast or added to your favorite breakfast sandwich. You'll love these breakfast patties because you're going to know exactly what's in them. They're moist, flavorful, and tender. I do love me a good breakfast sandwich, and now it's easy to make your own at home. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.